what is different about Save Our Sleep sleeping bags? Save Our Sleep sleeping bags come in more realistic sizing. Most people do not start using a sleeping bag until a safe sleep bag until their baby is about 8 weeks old. When night feeds stop, you don't want to have your baby in a sleep bag when you're doing night feeds, because you change the bottom, they might poo, you don't want to get the poo all over the sleeping bag. That is why our sleep bags start at 2 months, 8 weeks, okay? We have this one, which balloons out for people who might have a baby in a hip brace. They can use the ballooning out sleeping bag. It also encourages good hip movement. That is why we balloon it out. So, for a small baby, we have the 2 to 8 month sleep bag. Then for a bigger baby, we have the 8 to 24 month sleep bag. Most people can get away with owning just these two sizes. Most people do not need our largest size, which is the 2 to 3.5 year sleep bag, because look how big that is. I'm 5'11", and look at the size of that sleep bag. I'm tall, okay? Most people would get away with not needing that sleep bag. Look how big it is, okay? So that's your 3 lengths of sleep bags. Now, then we go into the sleep suits, which are these ones over here, which people would use once their child has been in a big bed for over 6 months, okay? Explained in my blogs. You use those once your child has been in a bed for over 6 months. So back to the sleep bags. What is different about ours? Well, ours are, the main difference and why people love them is, ours are tog tested after they have been washed. This means that once you get it and you wash it, and then you start using it, it is what the tog says on the label. It fascinates me because so many companies have tog tested their sleep bags before the first wash. Now what happens is, if you take a sleep bag, for example, this nice fluffy one, right? In its first wash, everything tightens up. And when everything tightens up, the tog is reduced, because a tog is the trapped air. The more trapped air in an item, the warmer the tog. The fluffier an item, the warmer a tog. Now what I find really interesting is, we have the 2.5 tog sleep bag, but we also have a 1 tog sleep bag. I'm trying to find one to show you. This is our 1 tog sleep bag. Now, what I find fascinating is, other companies have 1 tog sleep bags, and you can just go and feel them and have to think about what I'm saying. We had to put so much science into getting a 1 tog sleep bag, because we needed it to be 100% cotton, so it could be used under our wrap in a wrap. But we couldn't find anything that was 100% cotton that then once you washed it and dried it and it had shrunk, the tog stayed 1 tog. We couldn't find anything. We couldn't find any fabric to allow us to do this. Then we found the magic solution. In fact, I probably shouldn't share this with you because people will copy me. But watch, people will copy this. The magic solution was a layer of cotton on the outside, brushed, beautiful soft cotton on the outside, a layer of normal cotton on the inside, which looks the same, but it actually feels different. And then in the middle, we have a magic layer. Do you want to know what that layer is? Okay. I think we should cut one open. What do you think, Killian?
Yeah.
Yep. So if you come over here and look at the 1 tog sleeping bag I have on this baby in the car seat. Okay? Have a look. This is a 1 tog sleep bag. Strap's not done up, so don't do it like that. We are going to cut one open. Okay, where are we going to cut? Where should we cut? Where should we cut? Should we do this? Are we really going to cut it?
Yeah.
Shall I just go for it? Right. Are we ready to see what the Save Our Sleep sleep bag's magic formation is? Okay, I don't know where I should cut that my mother-in-law can fix. Should I pick a seam? Is that what? Okay, let's pick a... Nah, we don't need to fix it. Right, we're going to go straight in and cut. Are we ready? For scientific purposes, are we going to cut? Does everybody think we should cut? Ah, I cut it, Killian. Okay, layer 1. Do you know what this is, Killian?
No.
This is layer 2, right? It is a beautiful... Can people actually see this?
Mm-hmm.
This is a beautiful, soft, feel that? Beautiful, soft terry toweling. It's such a shame that it's in now. Why would you not have this layer and then this layer? Because the baby has to think every sleeping bag is identical. Otherwise, they might not sleep. So we've got this layer, then we've got this layer, and then can we look inside? We've got, on this one, it has a white inside. We've got another layer of cotton. Let me turn it around and show you the inside. This is an older one. And see, you've got the old insides were white. So see the way you've got white? So it's white. And then how do I show this? I think I need to cut it so people can see. Right, pull that, yes, white. Then you've got this toweling. Yep, you can see that. And then inside the toweling, we've got another white layer. That's how we make our one tog and can be 100% cotton. This is the most expensive sleeping bag to make. This sleeping bag costs double the price of our 2.5 tog to make. Do you think the girls are going to notice that tomorrow? Hopefully not. Anyway, because of how we make it. That is the magic of our sleep bags. They are true togs once they're washed. Our 2.5 is 6.8. After the first wash, it becomes 2.5. This one tog is 3.2 roughly. After the first wash, becomes one tog. And our 0.5 is 0.5 before and after the first wash. Okay, thank you for listening.